What shall we talk about, gentlemen?
Okay guys, so after I posted that Infinity Cube and Pokeball video, I realized you guys were probably wondering how I built the Infinity Cube. So I'm going to show you how it's done. First, you need these. This Technic bar with two Technic pin holes, not Technic axle holes, because there's this one with a Technic pin hole and Technic axle hole, and it's a lot easier to get. But this needs two Technic pin holes so that it will move freely. If you have the other kind, it won't work. Then you need these Technic pieces, because this is a Technic Infinity Cube. I've seen a brick built Infinity Cube, and I've seen a brick built Infinity Cube using tape, but this is a Technic one, and it does not use any tape. Once you've built this, and 7 others, then you need to connect them with these Technic pins. You're going to lay them out, sort of like this. And put pin there and there. Connect it there and there. Then do the same on the other side. And then you will need 2 more, and they will go in like this. These would stay here. Let them stay up. The last one, like so, goes right in between this one and this one, so that then you have the Infinity Cube, and you can just keep flipping it, flipping it, flipping it, flipping it, flipping it, and have fun with it. So, that's the Infinity Cube. And in case you're wondering about how I built the Pokeball, here it is. It's just some brackets holding up some plates on the side. 2 top halves, one top half and a bottom half, with clips on the back connected to the brackets. Circle, circle, with space in the middle, so that the Infinity Cube will go inside. There's very little space inside of it once you fit the Infinity Cube in, so it fits very snugly. But there you go. That's how to build it, and see you next time. Bye.
I'd like to thank my hairstylist,